Everything will seem normal until you come up here and touch something metal and you get electrocuted. Alright, so this is extremely important that everything on the racking, the solar panels, the roof, up the conduit, down through the DC conduit, everything metal is bonded on your equipment grounding conductor. That gives your system a safe way to clear a ground fault. So if you ever have anything up here that's metal that gets energized, that easily happens all the time. Like if somebody clamps a solar panel down on a wire, or if a squirrel comes up here and chews through a wire, or whatever the case may be, if anything metal gets energized, it's going to hit this equipment grounding conductor. It's going to go back to the source. It's going to clear that ground fault, trip some breakers, and make everything safe. If all of your metal components are not bonded, the issue that you run into is it will not clear a ground fault, and you will just have metal objects up here that are energized. Everything will seem normal until you come up here and touch something metal and you get electrocuted. That is the purpose of the equipment grounding conductor. A lot of people just don't understand how important this is and why, and it's to prevent people from electrocution. Sucker's not going anywhere. Now you always want to do all this wiring before you plug the solar panels in. That's super important. Solar panels, you cannot turn off the current, so if the sun is shining, they are live. You do not want to get hit with high voltage DC electricity. Very likely it would kill you. So in this case, you make all your connections first, and then what you do is you make sure that DC disconnect is in the off position before you start plugging in solar panels. And that way nothing is ever connected until you go down there when everything is completely done and wrapped up, and you turn that DC disconnect to the on position, and that is what completes the circuit.